here at the Melrose Hotel to show some updates on the construction process. All right, so we have the street. This is Colorado Avenue, barricaded off because they have new water lines. So in the last video, they dug down right here, installed a new 4-inch fire suppression and 1.5 inch for municipal water. So you can see the Maze Concrete came in, do the patchwork, they patched this whole section, so they had to dig down, excavate about 8 to 10 feet. So they filled in all this section here, looks great. City sidewalk, new access. See here, framing taking place. New corridors laid out, new rooms laid out. So this is where we had to do LVL supports up in for the roof support. So you can see where these supports are coming down the floor. They're pretty heavy. What we're going to do is have hangers that attach to the brick. So that is for lateral movement of the building, and then also supports the system on the roof above, heavy snow load, and then also the air conditioning units. You can see there's multiple new LVLs installed. Big one there, covering up the old skylight because we're actually lowering the ceiling in here. Do that line right there, the laughter line that will be dropped. It's starting to take shape. So this will be the new hallway. Coming here, there'll be a wall right here, and then this will be the new hallway. Walk down, you can see these rooms are all framed out. Give you an idea of size. Another, so what we'll have is the closet. There's a room. The bathroom is on this side of the wall. There's the entry to the bathroom. And then here will be the kitchenette. So a functional space. Same layout here, bathroom, kitchenettes. Kitchenette there, bathroom on the other side. So this is where the new patio will be, a fire pit, big seating area. See all the lumber packages, track, staging area. So take a look at the basement. This will all be filled in. But for now, it's good access into the basement. So, see the structural, we're adding LVL support throughout, so it reinforces foundation, structural load from the second floor all the way down to the basement. There'll be new LVL beam system here, and then we'll be pouring concrete in these sections, close down, new line being installed. The masons are working that mud's left there. Go in the section, so all the waste transferred to those door openings. Down here through these CMU blocks, and then everything's supported above on this I-beam. The new brick and CMU will fill in the holes above, which I'll show you in a minute. Be sistering all those joists. Continuing on to the wall here, patching these holes. Installing a new ledger just like this, which is anchored in. noticed it because half the time these historic buildings, these pockets fail with the mortar, end up sinking. So just make sure it's supported well. It's a little better view of it with these pockets. So you can see where it's sitting on a brick there. Sometimes it's not brick, it's actually mortar. It gives away and then you have some sagging in the floor. So just make sure that doesn't happen. Same on this section over here. This is an underview of that floor above in the bar that we patched, assisted the joists and re-supported the floor. And you can see the rim joist also right there. This will be the new laundry room. The plumbing's going to go in. And it's kind of hard to see in here. Light works. It doesn't. So the new water line's coming in. There's a lot of storage, so a little better view of the laundry room. Here, this is where the mechanical will be. You kind of see the light coming through there. That's where the wall ends. That's where the water is. Fire suppression, riser room, and then electrical. Everything else, fire alarm, and then more storage there. So coming up the stairs. See what the masons are working on the I-beam below, attaching these holes here, fill that in, support, and they'll do the same thing on the second floor. And they do that opening, look back to this opening, here are those cracks, go to the other side so we can see. Here's the seating area, it's opened up. New doorway going into the bar area. There'll be a new door here, exterior door with an 88 ramp, and also stairs, and concrete stairs. So I'll have an entry coming through that new door, and it passes all the way through. You see what the masons are working on here. That's that floor patch I was talking about. So they're filling in these old doorways, the originals. See the arches there? Then they'll be cutting the new doorways. Let's finish with that one. We'll work up next. There's the boss man, Greg.